do you want, mate?
It's not the first time you said that in front of camera, is it?
It's absolutely not, you're right.
Slip off the clutch then. I was going to get it this time.
Yeah. I'm already off the bike.
See the full aspect of them lights now.
Take your time.
Well, that front wheel probably only came up about 2 inches. Presenting me his arse now. So, what 2 big things have I learnt today? Lower the tyre pressure, that made a massive difference. Removing the rubber foot pegs. I've got loads of grip with these boots. That bash plate doesn't half resonate. It's obviously so it serves its purpose, but it makes the bike sound like a tin can. Well, I've really enjoyed that. Didn't fall off. Well, I would have fell off, but a tree saved me. I got saved by a tree. Don't punch it in. Up there. Another time.
It is a little bit more gnarly.
Yeah, definitely another time.
Well done. Seriously,
I appreciate that, thank you.
no problem. I enjoyed it. Nice to get out.
Technically I can say I didn't fall off.
You didn't.
But I sort of
You were
would have
falling.
done, but a tree saved me.
Thank you, Mother Nature.
Yes. Right. Let's go and have a brew. That's it. That's what we've done. We've got ourselves a brew, and it's been pretty decent. Pretty decent.
Good to see you, man. How are you?
Very well.
Oh, sorry.
How you doing, bud?
I wasn't going to grab one boot.
Oh, mate.
What do you want, mate?
It's not the first time you said that in front of camera, is it?
It's absolutely not, you're right.
Right then. So that's the day over with, and what a day. That was a proper. Last week was a little bit of an introduction. This time it was a proper introduction. Thank you to James.
Hey, you're welcome. Very welcome, mate. You did really well, seriously.
Yeah, I was just about to say, be totally honest, because you told me about lowering the tyre pressures, which we've done,
Yep.
and I feel that made a massive difference. Massive difference. It wasn't as wet as what it was last week, but I still felt the back end was a lot more planted. That was another thing that I did. Took the rubber platforms out of the foot pegs.
Oh, yeah.
So I had some grip, because obviously with muddy boots, put your foot on the foot peg and you
Slip straight off.
slip straight off. That wasn't the best, but
No, honestly, you did really well.
How was it for you?
slow, steady, painful. No, in all honesty, I wasn't far off what I would normally do. So your pace is already there. You're already getting that confidence for it. You've surprised me that it's your second time off road, so you've already got the skills there for it. Just keep it up. The more miles you do, the more hours you put into it, the better it's going to be. Learn to relax. That's the only thing I need to keep telling you.
Yeah.
Relax your shoulders, relax your arms, because if you stiffen up, the bike's going to react differently. Allow the bike to do what it needs to do. Apart from that, mate, you're already there.
You're not right. I totally agree with that. Relaxing, it's difficult to relax. Looking ahead on the road, it's okay looking ahead, but off road for me, I was like, "Where's the next rut?"
Yeah.
So I'm looking down and not grabbing so much front brake. I did that several times, and the front did sort of lock up. Need to be a bit more gentle with the front brake, or start using the rear brake more.
Rear brake's definitely your friend on any sort of off-roading.
For this though, obviously with these boots, and like I said, because I keep saying it because I'm a newbie to it, I can't feel the brake, the rear brake. I can't feel it. All there's excuses. I had a long list. I can't feel the foot brake underneath.
No, you're going to start fit. The more hours you put into it, I keep saying you'll be absolutely fine.
Yeah,
I'm going to take you on some hardcore stuff next time.
That was hardcore enough.
Oh, okay. Maybe not then.
Yeah, a few more sessions on that to get confidence up. But it's been great. It's been fantastic, mate. Really appreciate your time.
No problem at all, mate. All right.
Right then. Right then. Thank you for watching my bumbling trips along the Green Lane. As always, take care and ride.
Keep it shiny side up.
As always, take care and ride safe.